Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my large Father's Day box. As you can see, it's a real good size. You could fit a fair few chocolate bars in there, a t-shirt maybe, a hat, pretty much anything really. You might not get a bottle of alcohol in there, but everything else you could get in. I haven't made a large box for a while, and equally I haven't made a box with a DSP lid. I've used layers before, so I thought let's go back and use some DSP as a lid just because it's pretty. I love this. Cajun Crazy is always a colour that I never use, but I do like it in this suite. And I've gone for really simple decoration. A couple of bits of ribbon here. So the Early Espresso Faux Suede and the Gold Shimmer ribbon. And these are the pre-die cut pop-outs, for want of a better phrase, that come with the DSP. Now I've actually was fed up with them falling out, so I've actually just put them all in a clear envelope. So I have all of them in here now, so I can just pick and choose whichever I want. But yeah, really simple. 12 by 12 cardstock. This is the Regals, but the one I'm going to make with you today uses neutrals. So if you did buy any for one of my previous projects, this is in the neutrals, so you'll be fine with that. So to start off with then, the base is a full sheet of 12 by 12, so that is 30.5 by 30.5 centimetres, and we are simply going to score 2 inches on all 4 sides. And that's 5 centimetres, sorry. Simple as that. Simple box, easy to make, easy to replicate with any card, any paper. So fold and burnish your score lines. And then I'm going to just cut the 4 corners, the 4 squares, into tabs just by cutting those wedges either side. Okay, now we're just going to turn it round and repeat. And the same again on here. Oops. A little bit of a wonky line there, and then again simples, we're just going to adhere those corners. So adhesive of your choice, and then grab my trusty pegs and pop that one there, that one there, oops, that one there, and last but not least that one. And then I'm going to pop this to one side whilst I do my DSP. So I've just realised I don't have a piece of card out for my shim. So I'm just going to grab that. So rubbish with this. So you need your DSP, that is 11 by 11 inches, so 28.5 by 28.5. Don't forget your shim of the same card you've used for your base. That's quite important because a lot of card has different thicknesses. And we're going to score at 1.5 inches or 4 centimetres. All 4 sides. Don't forget to use the shim on all 4 of your sides as you score. Okay. As I said, it's super simple and super quick to put together. I could have used that side, couldn't I? That's pretty too. So go along, fold burnish. And then again we're going to repeat the 4 corners with the DSP. So cut your wedges. It's not enough room on the desk. Cut those wedges out and then repeat with this side. Okay, and again back in whichever adhesive you wish. So I'm going to use some of my wet glue again, and then crumbs, a bit on there, a bit on there, and then back in again, fold those corners up and pop your pegs on. Oh, I didn't decorate it, did I? Silly, silly. Never mind. I always decorate, don't I? It's because I'm using DSP, you see. I change up what I do and it makes me forget. Terrible. Right, let's just pop that to one side for a minute whilst I decide on my decoration. So as I said, there are lots and lots of excuse me, lots and lots of elements with this. I always like to try and use a large piece for the background, and then I might go for the barbecue-y type thing. So holy smokes, you're the best. I'm sure we had some more kind of, or we could go with the beer one. You make me hoppy. Oh, there you go. You're flipping awesome. Actually, I quite like those like that. And then, how about, is that too many sentiments? Maybe it is. Oh no, here we go, look. Let's get rid of that. Let's add that. And let's put, I'm sure you're shouting at me as to how to do this, but yeah, I quite like that. And then I'm actually going to pull in some stars here, look. I'm going to use those stars, I think. Perfect. Right, let me just quickly put all these back in here. As I say, there's so many options you could go with these. Cheers to all the years. I love them, but I just found that it was a lot easier for me to to just pop them all out and stick them in here, because otherwise I'd either lose them or not remember. So now they just sit like that, and then they sit in the sleeve of my DSP, so I don't lose them. Right, let's adhere this on. I also want my ribbon, so I'm going to move that out of the way. I actually adhered my ribbon, if you noticed, with a staple. Again, just sort of going with the rustic-y type of vibe. Unfortunately, these aren't available anymore. Crikey, I think I got this when I joined, which was 6 years ago. So yeah, they don't have them anymore, which is a shame. Right, adhesive. So let's pop this on here. So I'm going to go with that about there. That just sort of sits off there. That sort of sits off there. A little bit of wet glue, I think, for the stars. In fact, I'm going to use the little ones on. Where's my don't want to get covered in glue. That one there, that one there, and then ribbon. I don't need a massive amount of ribbon, and I actually just sort of fold them in half and then hold them together. Do we think we need them? Oh, actually, yes, let's go this side across here. It might be a bit random, but I think it's okay. And then I just stapled them. Yeah, I quite like that. And then I want a little bit on here, a little bit of adhesive on this star here. And I'm actually going to put that one on the box. So bring back in my lid. I'm going to stick it on the base just so it's a little bit more sturdier. I've done my trick again. Oh my days, I suspect I forgot to cut the paper down. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Right, anyway, as we were. Oh, crikey. It's lunchtime. So I'm going to pop this on here. Oh, my brain hurts sometimes. And I'm going to pop that one there, I think. Anyway, let's just move that out of the way. I'm fairly confident I just didn't cut my paper. Let's have a look. Yeah, 9, 10.5. Yeah, I just didn't cut my DSP down. I'm such a fool. Anyway, on a separate note, those are my large boxes. My measurements are exactly fine. I just didn't cut this down because I'm such a fool and so quick to get everything done. But there they are. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Hope I've made you giggle. Honestly, have a good day. Bye.